Hey everyone, my name is Cheryl Spate. This message is for anyone who enjoys photography or filmmaking and wants to do it full-time or on the side, but maybe doesn't exactly know how to get into it or needs to work on their skills. I just joined a program called Creator Academy that is run by McGee and Eassa. And they teach you how to film. They teach you how to get the right shots. They teach you about ISO, shutter speed, aperture. They show you their shots and their compositions and how they do things. They have a whole curriculum laid out. You can see it on their website. Right now it's 55% off. They also have this program that shows you how to travel the world for cheap while making photography for other people. It also tells you which jobs you should take for free and which jobs you should get paid for. And that means like building your portfolio. So these guys have been traveling the world a long time creating content. They know what they're doing and they want to bring this course to you. I'm taking the course. I'm learning a lot. If you're interested, just click the link in the description and that will bring you to a website that will tell you all about their program and how you can sign up for it. I am so excited to be part of this and just have this new experience and how many doors that will open for me, whether it's wedding photography, landscape photography, any kind of photography basically, and filmmaking. They also talk about drones and GoPros, which is super exciting because that opens up a lot of opportunity. These guys' photography is amazing. I've shown you some of it in this video. I hope to meet you in the Creator Academy group for members.